I am doing a review today for MagCap. My husband is going to be in this video with me, so I'm going to turn around here so you can see him. He's got his beer in hand, and this is where I put our MagCap. It just screwed right into the wall.
No more searching for beer bottle openers.
And as he said, no more searching for beer bottle openers. You can see that it's super easy. The best part, this is his favorite part right here, is that the magnet holds the bottle cap and we don't lose it. So it doesn't stick to your feet or you get angry. So that is MagCap. There it is. And I absolutely think this is one of the best inventions ever. It's simple and quick, and it's well worth the money. It's a permanent fixture in my kitchen.
Best thing my wife ever got me.
So, best thing I ever got him, he said. So I give it 2 thumbs up and definitely recommend MagCap.